The remains of the 2 pilots and 3 crewmen of the Nigeria Air Force NAF who died on January 2nd while carrying out counterinsurgency operations in the northeast have been laid to rest amidst tears and eulogies from families, friends and colleagues. Speaking at the funeral service, which held at the National Military Cemetery, Abuja, the Chief of Air Staff, Air Marshal Sadiq Abubakar, said the death of the officers rather than demoralize personnel of the NAF would spur them to expose and fight all agents of destabilization and extremism in the country. While sympathizing with the immediate families of the 5 deceased officers, the Air Force and all Nigerians over the loss, Abubakar assured them of the sympathy and support of the rest of Nigerians, urging them to be consoled with the fact that the deceased officers paid the supreme price in the course of their duty to their fatherland.